today we'll discuss the nomenclature part. I will take the name of the compound, trivial or common name, and IUPAC name. Okay, IUPAC name. Whenever you do the learning, you do the learning of carboxylic acids, because aldehydes are the derivatives of carboxylic acids. So I take this simple compound. We'll begin with this. First one, HCOOH for carboxylic acid. This is name of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. HCOOH. Common name or trivial name is formic acid, as it is derived from ants. Ants are called forma. ants जे चावतात असे आपलं काय म्हणतात ते, they prick their tentacles and then they spray some acid, and that is why we get that inflammation म्हणजे जळजळतं आपल्याला. HCOH, one carbon atom. Formic acid is a common name or trivial name. The IUPAC name is one carbon atom, capital letter, methanoic acid. Number 2. Will increase the number of carbon atom. CH3, COOH. The common name or the trivial name is two carbon atoms विसरू नका. Acetic acid, which is the main component of vinegar. Students, okay, impart sour taste. कुठल्याही प्रोडक्टला एक आंबट टेस्ट देते, sour taste. How many carbon atoms? Count here. IUPAC. For IUPAC system, you have to note the number of carbon atoms in the parent chain, including the carbon of carboxylic group. So how many carbon atoms including carbon of carboxylic group? It is 2, capital letter, ethane. Last word काढायचा, OIC, acid. Come on, increase the number of carbon atoms. CH3, CH2, COOH. The common name is see the spelling, propionic. फक्त IC लिहायचा, propionic acid. I'll write it here. Propionic acid. How many carbon atoms? Count and see. 1, 2, 3. PRO, capital P. IUPAC ला पहिलं लेटर कॅपिटल मध्ये लिहायचं. प्रोपेन, E replaced by OIC, acid. Number 4, increase the number of carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Name, IUPAC name, N dash करायची, because N is neo position किंवा अल्का N ही चेन पोझिशन आहे. ही पोझिशन असल्यामुळे N butyric acid, which is present in butter. ठीक है. IUPAC name will be what? How many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4. It is butanoic. E फक्त रिप्लेस करायचं, butanoic acid. Number 5. थोडंसं कॉम्प्लिकेट करा त्याला. CH3, CH, CH3, COOH. What is the common name? Iso. Iso ही पोझिशन असल्यामुळे त्याला मध्ये डॅश येणार. कळतं, नंबर आहे तो. Iso butyric methyl group attached to carbon atom number 2. Iso position म्हणतात त्याला. Iso butyric acid. Now count the number of carbon atoms in the longest chain for IUPAC naming. Count the number of atoms in the longest chain. 1, 2, 3. So root parent chain PROPANOIC ऍसिड. नेमिंग कुठून करायचं? कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड एंड पासून नेमिंग करायचं. आता हियर मिथाइल इज ॲट द सेंटर, नो इश्यूज. 1, 2. Don't do the naming from there. Carboxylic acid or aldehyde is given number 1. In aromatic, lowest number rule. So propanoic acid 2 dash capital methyl. Methyl group is attached to carbon atom number 2. So it is 2 methyl, no gap in between. 2 methyl propanoic acid. Ends the story. Go to the next. एक एक लिहित जाते. जस्ट फॉलो द बोर्ड. 5 झाले. Look students, go to the next. Next, number 6. See the number 6 part. एकदा डोक्यात फिट बसलं ना, no issues. Name of carboxylic acid. Sixth, COOH dash COOH aliphatic. How many carboxylic acid group? 2. What is the trivial name or the common name? What is the trivial or the common name, students? Consider please. The trivial name is oxalic acid. How many carbon atoms? 2 carbon atoms. When 2 carboxylic acids are attached to the chain, the name of the parent alkane is written as it is. Name ethane. 2 carbon atoms. पूर्ण लिहायचं. How many carboxylic acid? 2. DiOIC acid. That is how you write. ठीक है? Number 7. Look. CH2 double bond CH COOH. The name is acrylic acid. Common name. Acrylic acid. How many carbon atoms? Acrylic हे फक्त common पुरती because they have given from the origin sources. In IUPAC, how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3. So it is prop. Nomenclature कुठून करायचं? Naming of carbon atom. 1, 2. Double bond is attached to carbon atom number 2. Prop. En. कळतं? Prop 2En. Prop dash 2 dash En OIC acid. With double bond attached to carbon atom number 2. Prop split करा dash to dash because between the number and the word dash comes En double bond OIC acid as usual carboxylic group. Go to the next. Aromatic now. Simple. Benzoic acid benzoic acid. Here also benzoic acid. केव्हा benzene carboxylic acid लिहिलं तरी चालतं. So it is benzoic acid. Your job is easier because common name and IUPAC name is same. Number 9. We'll take the same aromatic ring. We'll attach a carboxylic group and a methyl group. Name, common name is ortho. Ortho position I think. Ortho what? TOLUOIC. Orthotolic acid. Orthotolic acid. मिथाइल हा टोलिन आहे. मिथाइल ग्रुप असे ना म्हणून टोलिन. So orthotolic acid. Tell me the IUPAC name, students. 2 benzoic acid lowest number rule. म्हणजे कार्बन बेन्झॉइकचा 1 धरायचा. Lowest number rule. So it is 2 dash methyl benzoic methyl benzoic acid. Concept clear? Go to some more students. इससे क्या बोला? Number 10. This is number 10. We will take the next, that is we'll take the 10th one now. 10th one methyl group घेतला. आता go to this group. Benzoic acid OH. What is this, students? It is ह्याला common name काय? salicylic acid. What about the IUPAC name? Hydroxyl group is attached to carbon atom number 2. So it is 2 hydroxy benzoic acid. 2 hydroxy benzoic acid. Continue. 11th. 2 carboxylic acid groups. Name. This is what? PH. Common name. PH THALIC. Phthalic acid. IUPAC name. What am I going to name here? First of all, benzene. Complete लिहायचं. कळलं? 2 group. बेन्झीन डाय जसं कार्बाल्डिहाइड 2 असले ना तर कार्बाल्डिहाइड लाईक दॅट. सो बेन्झीन डाय carboxylic acid. Dicarboxylic acid because 2 carboxylic groups are attached to carbon atom number benzene ring here. Last. समजा we take a ring here. We will take a ring but without a bond. Then the name will be what here? Huh? This is what here? This is no aromatic ring. Cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. Cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. And what about the IUPAC name? Cyclohexane. The name of the closed alicyclic alkane complete like that. So it is cyclohexane. पुढे काय? carboxylic. For alicyclic, this is the rule मुलांनो. Carboxylic acid. आलं लक्षात? Is it okay? That's it. That is how you can write here. Clear मुलांनो? For today I will stop. Tomorrow I will name the aldehydes and the ketones. Bye for today.